In this guide, you will learn how to disable automatic restrictions on YouTube, allowing for a more personalized viewing experience. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Sign into your YouTube account. Visit the YouTube website or open the app and sign in with your Google account. This step is essential to access your account settings. Step 2. Access settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. Here, you will find options related to your viewing preferences and restrictions. Step 4. Adjust Restricted Mode. Find the option for Restricted Mode. Toggle the switch to turn it off. This will disable the automatic restrictions that filter out certain content based on your viewing history. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting the restricted mode setting, make sure to save your changes. You may need to refresh the page or app for the changes to take effect. By following these steps, you can successfully disable automatic restrictions on YouTube. Enjoy a more tailored viewing experience.